Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Alma Linux 9.3 on VMWare Workstation 17.5. So this is the updated version of VMWare Workstation 17.5. So create new virtual machine. Select the option I will install the operating simulator. So I am selecting Red Hat Enterprise Linux 964-bit as a version. So provide the name to the virtual machine. Next, provide the path where the virtual machine is getting stored. So now allocate 40 GB virtual hard disk size, stored as single file. Customize adder, so increase the RAM to 8 GB. Processor, increase the CPU cores to 4 CPU cores. Use ISO image file, so I am browsing the Alma Linux 9.3 DVD ISO file. Network adapter will be host only adapter, so no internet connection is needed. Okay, so everything will be taken care by VMWare Workstation 17.5. So installer is started. English will be my default language. Installation destination. Select the installation destination. Select the time and date. So software selection, that is base environment will be server with guy. Provide the root password. I am providing the simple password only. Provide the root password. User creation. Create the login user. Provide the password for the login user. So installation is completed. Now I am logging into the Alma Linux 9.3. So all the VMWare tools will be installed automatically. So now I am going to check whether drag and drop and copy paste is working. So drag and drop and copy paste is enabled by default after the installation. So all the VMWare tools will be installed automatically. Okay, so no need to worry about. So nothing to do manually here. So everything is taken care by VMWare Workstation. Okay, so now I am typing some commands. Let me copy paste this terminal output. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So copy paste, that is shared clipboard is working fine. Now let me try from Windows host machine to Alma Linux 9.3 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So copy paste feature, that is shared clipboard feature, is working fine. Now I am going to try drag and drop. Now I am going to try the drag and drop. So let me drag and drop some files from Windows host machine to Alma Linux 9.3 and check what is going to happen. Okay, let me try now. Yes, I can able to copy paste the file, that is using drag and drop. File transfer is successful. Okay, let me try one more. Yes, So drag and drop is working fine here. So you can check the file operations also. Okay, so everything is fine. So file is completely copied. So now I am going to try shared folder. I am shutting down the virtual machine. Edit virtual machine settings. Go to options tab. Shared folders always enabled. Add. Okay, now I am going to add the Windows host machine folder to Alma Linux 9.3 VM. That is, I am going to mount the folder, Windows host machine folder to Alma Linux 9.3 virtual machine. So this is the name of the share, always enabled. Okay. Okay, once you logged in, type the command vmware-hgfs-client. You can see that shared folder is mounted and it's available, but we need to access the content of shared folder. So check whether hgfs directory is available. So hgfs directory is available under /mnt. So this share will be mounted under hgfs directory only. So now I am going to log in as a root user. After logging to root user, I am going to edit the file /etc/fstab. Yes, add this line. Okay, vmhgfs-fuse space /mnt/hgfs space fuse space defaults comma allow underscore other space 0 space 0. That's it. So I have provided this details in the description of this video. All the commands I have provided. So mount -a command will mount all the directories. Finally type systemctl daemon -reload. Okay, now open another tab, login as ordinary user and try to access the content of shared folder. Yes, I can able to access the content of shared folder. So finally, Alma Linux 9.3 installation on VMWare Workstation 17.5 with VMWare Tools is successful. All the three features, shared folder, shared clipboard and drag and drop, is working fine.